Hey guys! Happy to see you again. Today, I will introduce our hot-selling machine. PCB UV Exposure Machine. The UV Exposure Machine is a machine that transfers the image information on the film or other transparent body to the surface coated with light-sensitive materials, copper or FR4, aluminum substrate, by turning on the UV light. Here is the machine operation video. The machine features are as below. 1. Different exposure size to meet your needs for different size PCB. 2. Manual and semi-automatic type can be chosen. 3. Application: dry film, wet film, solder mask. 4. LED light source, long service life, up to 25,000 hours. 5. Double-sided simultaneous exposure, high output and production capacity. 6. Energy uniformity is above 90%. If you want to get more detailed specification about the exposure machine, please contact us. That's all for today. See you next time.